Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device. Back up critical files and make sure battery is above 50% so the phone won't die mid-process. Once done, remove SIM or SD if you prefer safety from writes, and then shut the phone down completely. Do not choose restart. You do this because boot menus require a cold boot state to detect key combos reliably. Now place your fingers ready on the hardware buttons we will use next. You press and hold the correct button combination immediately after the phone is off. For download mode, hold volume down plus Bixby plus power. For recovery, hold volume up plus Bixby plus power. If your model lacks Bixby, replace it with the relevant key. Most newer Galaxies use volume plus side/power. Keep holding until you see a logo or warning screen, then release. This sequence forces the bootloader to stop normal startup and present the menu, so you can choose flashing or recovery actions. You navigate the boot menu with volume keys and confirm with power. Select Reboot, Recovery, or Download as needed. Once finished, choose Reboot System Now to boot normally. If the device appears frozen, hold power for 10-15 seconds to force a restart. If that fails and the battery is removable, briefly remove it and reinsert. If you still cannot access the menu, retry the exact timing of button presses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.